Hi, this is Rochelle, the DIY affiliate, and how to grow your business with positive energy. Welcome, everybody. Thank you for being here. Thank you for your support, and I'm always very happy to answer any type of questions that you have for me. So, let's get started. I believe I can help you in some way on your journey to create an online presence. For people who are new to my life, I've prepared a short bio of who I am. My brand is a DIY affiliate, and I've branded YouTube and Pinterest and Facebook and Twitter and other social media sites as well, all with the DIY affiliate. I am a marketing strategist, and I have a successful YouTube channel. I offer DIY, which is do-it-yourself videos, where you can learn about the importance of having a registered domain name and also other key information about building an online presence using social media as organic traffic. I will teach you how to understand the YouTube algorithm, the Google algorithm, and also the Instagram algorithm, which I am learning myself right now. What is an algorithm? An algorithm is sort of like a to-do list, a number of steps that you would take. Let's compare it to a recipe. A recipe is an algorithm. You have a number of directions that you follow in order to produce your completed dish. As an example, what it does is it takes 0 or more inputs and gives back 1 or more outputs. So it's basically inputs and outputs. But for me, the algorithm is following a step-by-step process that you need to do in order to be able to build a solid foundation for your YouTube channel or any other social media site that you happen to be on. And I believe that the algorithms work because they have been tried and tested. And if you follow the steps that you need to do, then you will be successful in your online business. I will also teach you how to understand what is SEO, which is search engine optimization, how it can maximize your presence online. And just by using key important information that I will give you absolutely free, it can help you to gain more success for your online presence and help you to be able to build your online presence on a solid foundation. So basically, you will not see any fancy intros when I do my videos, because they are meant to entertain and distract you. They're designed for you to get into the yes, I want to subscribe because the intro distracted me and it told me to do it. So yes, I like your video and I want to subscribe to it. But I do not want you to subscribe because you're entertained and you like the intro. I want you to subscribe because you honestly want to learn how to build a business online using positive energy. So I will also make sure that I give you the no fluff, you could pretty much call it no BS, no stalling for time, just straight to the fact. Let's dive in, step-by-step tutorials that I have learned through trial and error that works. That being said, let's jump in. Okay, so today I'm going to be talking about Google. Now, whenever you're looking for an answer to anything, you need to ask yourself 5 questions. And these questions are: who, what, where, why, and when. And I am going to answer them for you right now. Who is Google? Well, I've done a little research on the internet to bring you this information. In order for you to understand who Google is, you need to know who owns Google. Now, the largest internet company in the world, mostly, and the information is always changing, but it is owned by a company called Alphabet, Inc. Now, this company, Alphabet, Inc., its portfolio has several different types of industries that it is involved in, including technology, life sciences, investment capital, research, and more. There are over 20 different brands and listed companies that this company, Alphabet, owns, and Google is one of them. Now, Google also owns YouTube. So YouTube is owned by Google, which in turn is also under the umbrella of the Alphabet, Inc. Now, there is a reason why I'm telling you this, but I've also am going to leave some information in the description for you to check this out for yourself. Okay? So, Alphabet, Inc. is the parent company, and Google, LLC, is an American multinational technology company that specializes in internet-related services and products, which include online advertisement technologies, search engine, cloud computing, software, hardware. It is considered one of the big four technology companies, alongside Amazon, Apple, and Facebook. So, now the next question is what? What is Google, and what does it do to help me in my business? So, what I've done is, I have my computer on while I'm talking, is I have done some research, and I have found 20 Google domains. And I know you know about Google Maps, and you know about Google Groups, and you know about Google Calendar, but also Google Image Search, Google Mail, Google News, Frugal, Google Video Search, Google Scholar, Google Book Search, Google Earth, Google Desktop Search, Google Directory. Now, I've only told you a couple of these domains, but the reason I'm telling you about these domains is because Google likes when you utilize all of its domains, and it will help you to be able to succeed online. How Google can be able to help you to succeed online. Okay, where do you find Google? You just go to www.google.com. Now, why is it important that I know about Google? Well, it's important to know about Google and what Google has to offer, because I just told you about the domains. Now, mostly all of the domains can help you in your business in one way or another, by using the calendar, by using the iGoogle portal, by using different other Google services. Yes, that can help you. But Google also has something called the Google Webmasters. And I will leave the link in the bottom. But basically, you would just go to the www.google.com/webmasters. And there you would also, when you join, you would then see the Google console. Now, this is very important in any business, and not just for your websites. However, you do have to have a web property in order to get it verified through Google. And you need to verify your web property, and you need to connect with as many Google domains as possible. So basically, I have answered most of the questions to what is it, Where is it? Why do I need to know about it? And lastly, when? Well, now is the best time to start finding out about Goógle. Okay, so once you have followed all the links that I'll leave in the description and you understand all about Goógle, then you can start to really decide what you want your domain to be, your domain name to be. And this is important. Remember, once you verify your site with Goógle, it then recognizes your domain name and will be more likely to recommend you and to be able to help you in your search engine optimization rankings. And in turn, that'll help you to be able to succeed online. So the more Goógle domains you use, the more Goógle likes you. And the more Goógle likes you, the more Goógle will reward you with higher rankings in the search engines. And this is important, not only for when you're building your blog, but also if you are building a YouTube channel, because Goógle owns YouTube. And Goógle has its own algorithm, and YouTube has its own algorithm. And finding out as much information as possible to what the algorithms are will help you in your success in building online. Okay? So, this brings me to my next topic. And I am not going to be discussing this in detail today, but on my next live, I will be discussing the creating a blog, the fundamental steps you need to build a solid foundation for your own web property. And yes, it is a web property, and another name for that is a website or a blog. It is a property you own on the internet, like an address where people go to find you. I will discuss why buying a domain name is important because of being unique. I will discuss the cost of the domain name. I will discuss the hosting, what it is and why you need it. I will discuss the cost of hosting and do a review of some hosting companies and what they have to offer. I will discuss why it is important you create a blog or web property to go along with your YouTube, your Instagram, or any other social media site you have or you are building right now. So I would just like to say thank you again for your continued support, for all of the likes and the follows and the hearts that you've given me, for all of the comments, and I try to get back to all the comments that I get, and if you start following me, I will start to follow you. I do believe in follow for follow, but I also believe that you have to like something about the channel or the account. If it's with Instagram, you have to like something, whether it's in a picture or something that you like about the person whose account it is, but you need to like something. And that's important, because if you are going to follow somebody, then it is also a reflection on who you are and what you do as well. And I have learned that through trial and error about that. So it is important that there are certain conditions that you really need to follow if you are going to do follow for follow. And like I say, I do believe follow for follow does work, but you need to like something first in order to follow someone. And the people that do follow me, I go and I check out their account and I find something that I like, and then I like it. I show them some hearts that are sincere, and I'm not just clicking hearts on something that I don't like, because I won't do that. I won't click on someone's picture and give you a heart if it's not something that I like, or I won't start to follow you if I don't like what I see. I'm sorry. But that's being honest, right? So I think that it's important that, yes, do follow for Instagram and also for YouTube. You can, if somebody is supporting you and subscribing to your channel and they leave you a comment, then go and check their channel out and like and subscribe to their channel to help them to grow as well. And that way you can both work together in order to create a sharing online community. So I hope that you've liked this video, and I know that when it comes to Google, you know, people sometimes you don't want to know about it, or you think that you may know everything about Google. But if I didn't continue doing the research that I do and be able to bring you this information, then I would not actually know a lot about Google myself. So that is why when I am bringing you information, I am making sure that it is the correct information and not something that I just read and decided that I was going to share it. So there is a considerable amount of research that I do to make sure that the information that I bring you is correct, because that is really important to me. So I believe that sharing knowledge is free, and we should all share our knowledge and build a community of like-minded people who are willing to help each other out to succeed online with honesty and trust and lifelong friendships. And don't forget, if you have any questions at all, or if there's anything that I can help you out with, just ask, and I will be happy to help you. I have numerous tutorials that I can refer you to, or that I can recommend for you to watch that can help you in any stage of building your online presence. So I hope you have enjoyed this, and if you like, then give me thumbs up or a heart for Instagram. And if you want to follow me, I do a live every Tuesday, and I am also on YouTube. I have a YouTube channel called the DIY Affiliate, in which you can check out my channel. And I'm also on other social media sites as well that can be found in my on my YouTube banner, my channel art. And I also just recently did a tutorial on making channel art and how to do it, where to do it, and it costs you nothing to do. And I will also leave the link in the description as well for you. So this is the DIY Affiliate saying have yourself a wonderful evening. Bye now.